Imagine this, when you receive a new order on your Shopify store, instead of getting happy, you are getting stressed. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and yes, this is the story of 90% Shopify store owners, because more orders means more growth, but for them more orders means more work because they handle everything manually, be it updating the database, sending the notifications, or generating the invoices or product descriptions. But what if I say that all of this can happen in backend and automatically without you lifting a finger? Yes, this is possible. So in this video, I'll show you the top 5 Shopify automations which can save you a lot of time and efforts. But before we jump in, I'll just let you know that we are going to build these top 5 automations using Pabbly Connect. And you can also try this for free today. And once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using a special discount coupon code which is RITYT, which can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So let's see these automations one by one. So the first automation for today is track Shopify orders in Google Sheets instantly. Using Pabbly Connect, you can simply create a connection between Shopify and Google Sheets in such a way that whenever a new order is placed on your Shopify store, instantly the details will be added in your Google Sheets. And you can also see the preview of the same right over here. What all details you can add in your Google Sheets is order ID, customer name, total, the date, the payment status, and also the fulfillment status. Further, you can also update the status in your spreadsheet only. How is this useful? First of all, it gives you an accurate and organized data. It saves you a lot of time, and you can see real-time tracking and also better insights. Okay, so now let's move towards the next automation. Apart from Google Sheets, you can also use Notion or Airtable too. Let's move on further now. So the next automation is automate Shopify order notifications on WhatsApp. Once again, using Pabbly Connect, you just have to create a connection between Shopify and WhatsApp in such a way that whenever a new order is placed on your Shopify store, instantly Pabbly captures the detail of the same. And then further, you can send an automated WhatsApp message, which is the confirmation message towards your customer, which is something like this. You can notify them about the order confirmation and the details of their order in this message. This can be very helpful because order confirmation is sent instantly towards the customers, and not only via WhatsApp, you can use Gmail, SMS also to send these order confirmation messages. How is this helpful? It sends instant notifications, it gets the better customer experience, and also it is fully automated and builds the trust of the customers. Now let's move on towards the next automation. So the third automation is automatically generate product descriptions for your Shopify store. What you have to do, you just have to connect an AI agent to your Shopify store using Pabbly Connect. Then what is going to happen is when a new product is created or updated in your Shopify store using Gemini, OpenAI, or some another AI tool, you can generate unique SEO-friendly product description for the same and update it in your Shopify store. Like you can see the preview of this oversized hoodie. I've just entered the details and the description will be generated using Gemini automatically and updated on my Shopify store. And how is this useful? So as you can see, it is AI powered, it also is SEO friendly, it saves you a lot of time and also boosts the sales because you get a very good product description. Now let's move on towards the next automation. So the next automation is how to create invoices for Shopify orders in Xero. So I just took Xero as an example over here. You can use any another platform too, like Xero, QuickBooks, to create the invoices. You just have to connect that app with Pabbly Connect and Shopify. What is going to happen is when a new order is going to be placed on your Shopify store, instantly using the same order details, the invoice will be generated. You can see a sample Xero invoice over here. It includes all the details, the date, the due date, the description, quantity, price, amount, and the rest of the details. And how is this useful? So first of all, it saves a lot of time. Then it reduces the manual work and it is accurate and reliable because it is error-free. When a human is going to enter and create the invoices, there might be some errors. But using this automation, it becomes error free. And the fourth thing is it scales with an ease. So let's move on towards the last automation. And the fifth automation is how to deliver file for Shopify orders. You just have to create a connection between Shopify and Gmail in such a way that whenever a new order is placed on your Shopify store, instantly the file is delivered on Gmail. This is best for the ones who are selling ebooks or courses online using Shopify. You can deliver the file in a second when the order is placed. You can also see the preview for the same. Apart from Gmail, you can use any another platform too. You just have to connect it with Pabbly Connect. Over here are some benefits like instant delivery. It saves you a lot of time, gives you a better customer experience and boosts efficiency. Apart from this, it is error free too. Yes, while sharing the course access or ebooks, many errors can occur, but using this automation, you get this error free. Yes, these were the top 5 automations using which you can automate 90% of your Shopify store work. If you want detailed tutorial videos on these automations, we have attached it in the description box below. Apart from that, the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Many more Shopify automation videos are published on our channel already. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.